Preview.
If someone's thinking about an exit, when should you think about maybe doing the due diligence and prepping, and kind of how long does it take your team to get through a typical, quality of earnings?
Yeah, it's never too early to start assembling the team and getting things going down the right path. As soon as you are thinking about what your future looks like and what you're wanting to do, that's the time to start having the conversations with the right people. So, talk to your accountants, talk to your attorneys. They're the ones that can really help you start to put that team together. And assembling that team to help you through the transaction is going to be the important piece. There could be different things that you need to do to prepare from a financial situation, ways that you can improve the business. And those are all items that can go into proper planning for a successful exit and being able to make sure that you're maximizing your earnings. As far as how early we start the quality of earnings side of the work, that can vary. And, I have one situation right now where we've been working with the client for 2 years, and we've been continuing to roll forward those numbers as they've evaluated where they're at and their timeline for exit. So sometimes that starts early and we continue to roll it forward for many periods. There's other situations where a company might decide that, hey, they want to hire an investment bank and go to market. And, a lot of those situations we get the phone call and it's, hey, we need to move fast on this. In those situations, we can typically turn things around in 4 to 5 weeks from having the key information that we need to be able to put our work together. But it makes it a little bit more difficult on our end because now we have a timeline that we're up against.
Agreed. I think the earlier you start, the more options you have at the end of the day, too. And I generally dislike being brought in after an LOI is signed, as an example. Your options are cut a little bit short at that point.